Hello everyone, my name is Dustin, founder and CEO of Beast Trading Software. Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. And in this video, this is actually something different because I'm very excited to finally announce the release of the Breakout Beast. Now, for those of you who've been following us on social media, you would have seen us posting about launching this EA pretty soon. And yeah, this week we finally managed to iron out the last few kinks, the last few things that just need to get fixed up. And the EA is working 100% and it is doing very, very well. Guys, I'm very excited about this EA. It's something completely unique, very different to our other products that we have available. The whole basis around this actual EA is that it trades the breakout. And this EA is optimized for trading the US30 or the Dow Jones, but it can be used to trade other markets, whether you like to trade the London breakout, Asian breakout, New York breakout, whichever breakout you like to trade. You can customize it, you can set up the box to pretty much trade whichever breakout you want. So it is very versatile in how it trades and is not limited to trading only one specific asset. However, in the case, this has been optimized to trade the US30 or the Dow Jones. Now I'm going to go into it now and explain exactly how it works so you can get more familiar with it. And then if you are interested in purchasing it, you can get it on our website or on MQL5. Now before I get stuck into actually to explain everything how it works, guys, if this is your first time visiting the channel, first of all, thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please click that like button. It really does help the YouTube algorithms. And then if you're not following us already, please do subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all the new content that we do release. Alright, getting it out of the way. So guys, what exactly is the Breakout Beast? Well, as I said, it is a breakout EA. What it actually does, it will create a box, which you can see here. It creates a box based off the previous high and low leading up to the session that you want to trade. Whereas in this case, we're trading during the New York session. So it will actually start trading just before that. In this case, the way it's been set up, it goes back the last couple of hours. It looks for the high and low. It will then create the box and it sets the targets. So you have three targets. You have a TP1, TP2, or TP3. In the setting which I'm using for trading the US30, I'm using a TP of a 1:2 ratio. And this ratio is created using Fibonacci sequence, for those of you who are not familiar with Fibonacci. So the first TP target is set at 1,300 or 13,000 points, whichever way your broker calculates it, and then the TP target 2. But actually in the settings I'll show you just now, there is a third TP which you can choose if you want to trade a 1-2-3 risk reward. It's entirely up to you. But in my setting, the way that I'm trading this EA on the account, which you can monitor on MQL5 or on my FX book, you can find the links to that on our website. You will see that I'm using a 1-2 risk reward. And that's pretty much what this EA does. It's a very simple concept. It trades once a day, and it will normally close out before the end of the day. So this EA is very suitable for trading and prop trading. If you trade FTMO or MyForex funds or any other kind of prop firm, trading this EA, it's very good because you'll pretty much be flat by the end of the day. There's no trades holding overnight. You're not holding trades over the weekends. So it's a very good strategy to actually use for prop trading. And I have mentioned that before. I can provide a set file for those of you who are using this for trading in prop firms. So let's just go into the settings very quickly and see exactly what we're looking at with the settings. First off is your risk management. Do you want to use, in this case, I'm using a risk percentage, but you can choose to use a fixed lot if you want. Here you have a fixed lot size. You can choose to use risk percentage, which is what I'm using. I'm risking 2% per trade. And then you can use a lots per balance, so you can trade a loss per balance if you like to do that. Then there's your profit targets. So in this case, you can choose if you want to use TP1, TP2, or TP3. Let me just show you how that looks like. So if I click on TP3 now and go OK, you will see, well, it just kind of a little glitch there, but you will see it creates a third box. But if you go to TP1, you'll see it only shows TP1, and in my case I'm using TP2, so I click back to TP2 and it goes back. All right, then next we have the magic numbers. So we have separate magic numbers for buy and sell. That's just to make sure that there's no confusion. A very standard procedure. You have a slippage. Now there is a martingale option with the EA. Some people don't believe in martingale. You know, martingale is a questionable strategy or form of management. It's not actually a strategy. It's a form of money management. But if you use it in the right way, it can work. And in the case of this strategy of trading the breakouts, I have found that using the martingale function works out very well. So I have it set to use martingale. So if there is, let's say that the trade reverses and opens up another side, it will open up the next position on increased lot size. But I do set that the martingale sequence will reset itself every day, so it won't continue to cycle out. And it's very rare that you will have more than 5 trades in a day. Normally you'll max out at 1 or 2 or 3. So maximum you're going to get a martingale is maybe up to 3, and then it will reset itself. Then next you have the start hours. So these are just the basic parameters of when you want the EA to start trading or when to create the box. This is very straightforward. And then your box size. So you have your minimum and maximum that you want your box size. Now bear in mind this won't look like the default settings that you get when you get the EA. These settings have been optimized for trading the US30, and this set file is available on NQL5. You can download it from NQL5 if you want to use this setting. The next is just a few graphical things where you can choose the color of the lines of the box, whatever it is, the font size, just a few customization settings. And that's pretty much it. Here on the left, you have a basic trade panel. This training will give you just simple information about what's going on, and when there's an open trade, which there was like today, it will show you the trade information here on the panel while the trade is open. Today was a successful day. We had a nice breakout just on the close of the bar. We had the breakout, the EA open an order, passed TP1, hit TP2, and got closed out for profit. Let's just go into the settings and see what happened. So yesterday was the first trading day. I actually started the account yesterday. I had one order which closed out on almost on break even. It was just a few. Well, this one actually hit stop loss. Excuse me. Then it opened up a second order. You can see it opened up at 0.01. It hit stop loss. Then martingale activated. It opened up the next order at 0.02. And then it closed out for the session. As I say, the EA will close at the end of each session. This here is the end of the session. So when price reaches this line here, it's the end of the session. Any active orders are closed. Then today we had our next order, which is this one you see here, and this hit profit, and we managed to get the account back into positive territory. So after 2 days, we are in the positive, we are in the green. And I'm very confident that as long as you keep monitoring the account and you guys can keep following, you will see that the account will grow steadily. Yes, there will be days that the EA loses. It's not a perfect strategy. There will be days where, unfortunately, there might be a false breakout and there's going to be a loss. But, we just keep going, keep using good money management, and we will come out in profit at the end. Guys, I think I've pretty much covered it for this video, explaining what the Breakout Beast is about. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below. You can also send an email, and I'll be happy to answer. If you'd like more information about this, you can check it out on our website. It is also on NQL5. If you do see, and I always tell this to everybody, if you do see this EA available for sale on any other website, it's a scam, it's a fake, and you will get scammed and lose your money, so just don't do it. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and happy trading. See you guys later. Cheers.